If you're looking for a career change in 2025, you're in the right place. The demand for data analysts and data scientists is exploding. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, data scientists are projected to see 34% job growth from 2024 to 2034, among the fastest growing occupations. And salary reports from industry sites showed that the entry-level data analyst roles can start around $90,000 in some markets. The best part, you don't need a tech degree to break in. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate step-by-step roadmap to become a job-ready data analyst in 2025, even with zero experience. Every data analyst, regardless of industry, needs 3 foundational skills. Master these and you're already halfway there. First, master Excel. Don't underestimate it. Excel is mentioned in over a third of data analyst job postings and is a daily tool in many roles. Go beyond basic spreadsheets. Focus on pivot tables for summarizing data. Formulas like VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP for merging data sets and creating charts and interactive dashboards. This is your data playground. Next, learn SQL. If data is a language, SQL is the universal dialect. It's the single most in-demand technical skill, appearing in nearly 50% of all data analyst job postings. You use it to talk to databases to pull the exact data you need. Get comfortable with the select statement, joins to combine tables, and group by for aggregation. These 3 concepts will undo about 80% of what you do on the job. Third, pick a BI tool. This is how you turn raw data into stunning interactive stories. Companies see the value in your work through the dashboards you create. The 2 market leaders are Microsoft Power BI and Tableau. If the companies you're targeting use Microsoft products, start with Power BI. Tableau is famous for its powerful and beautiful visualizations. Honestly, learning one makes it easy to pick up the other. The key is to be proficient in at least one. Okay, you've got the foundations. Now, let's talk about the skills that will get you noticed and paid more. Level up with Python. While once optional, knowing Python is now a major advantage. It makes you faster, more efficient, and opens the door to higher level analysis. Don't try to learn all of Python. Focus on these 3 libraries. Pandas, the ultimate tool for cleaning and manipulating large data sets. NumPy, the foundation for any numerical or mathematical operations. Matplotlib and Seaborn, for creating powerful and customized charts right from your code. Don't worry, you don't need an advanced math degree, but you do need to understand the why behind the data. This is what separates a data reporter from a true data analyst. Focus on practical concepts like mean, median, and mode. Understanding standard deviation, and most importantly, the difference between correlation and causation. These principles help you draw accurate conclusions and avoid common pitfalls. Phase 3, gaining experience. This is the single most important step. A project portfolio is your proof. It allows you to show, not just tell recruiters that you have the skills. For someone with no professional experience, your portfolio is your experience. Where do you find data? Use free public data sets from sites like Kaggle, Google's dataset search, or data.gov. Now, how do you know what to build? Create 2 to 3 polished projects. For each project, clearly define the problem you're solving. Show your process for cleaning the data, your analysis using SQL, Python, or both, and the final dashboard you built. Phase 4, landing the job. With skills and projects in hand, it's time to go to the market. Feature your top projects prominently in your portfolio. On your resume, don't just list technical skills. Highlight your transferable skills: problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. Explain how your project demonstrates these abilities. This is what hiring managers are desperately looking for. Now, apply it strategically. Don't wait for perfection. If you meet 70% of job requirements, apply. The interview process itself is a valuable learning experience. Expect rejections. They are a normal part of the journey. Stay persistent. Step 9. Never stop learning. The world of data is always evolving. Stay curious. Keep adding new projects to your portfolio. Pay attention to growing trends like AI and machine learning, as mentions of these skills in your job descriptions are on the rise. Your commitment to learning is what will drive your long-term career growth. So here's your 2025 roadmap. Core toolkit like Excel, SQL, BI tool, Power Hubs, Python for basic statistics. Experience, build real projects for your portfolio. And finally, job search. Craft your resume, apply strategically, and keep learning. Stick to this path, and you will be in an incredibly strong position to land your first data analyst role. The opportunities are massive, and it all starts with that first step. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want a follow-up video on portfolio project ideas or resume tips. See you in the next one.